Welcome back everybody. Today this is my final part of growing my Penstemons from seed. As you can see, really nice healthy plants. I've got several also in the greenhouse as well. I've sprayed these a couple of times against powdery mildew because they seem to damp off quite readily. But yeah, as you can see, oops, just get them there. There's 4 here. And I've noticed with Penstemons as well, when I plant them, they don't like to be too close to any other plants I normally find, especially before they get established. So I'll get this camera set up, shall we? This is my perennial border that I'm doing this year. This is a lot of soil I've dug out for my new greenhouse. So yeah, let's get on here. These are grown. First of all, these are grown in a peat-based compost. As you can see, nice root system. Just give them a good tap out. You see, lovely healthy roots there. Just give them a little tug, just each corner, just to encourage them to come out a little bit further. What I'm going to do, this probably gets the most sun here, so I'm going to get the camera up. I'm going to probably have one there. One there, I think this one, that one there, and one there. See how that looks. Yeah, looking really well. A lot of these Penstemons don't actually survive the winter if it gets really cold, so I'd advise you to take some cuttings off them in late summer, early autumn. If you want to keep the same plants as before, get the camera a bit further up here. But yeah. Trusty fork here. All you need to do, give it a really good rake it all up. Plenty of air in there. It'll be nice free draining. As you can see, really good compost, really good soil. It's been mixed with a lot of old potting compost. When you plant it, you want it the same level as the surrounding soil, like so. Some people mix a little bit of blood fish and bone meal in, that sort of thing. You can do if you want to. Just give them a little bit of an extra start. Get this one planted. But yeah, I've not really had much luck with Penstemons. This has probably been the best year for them. And like I said, I've sprayed them a few times for powdery mildew. It's really helped. Fly in the eye. There we go. Like I said, I've noticed it with Penstemons, if you have them too close to another plant and they're touching, it really does affect how well they grow. They really don't like it. Good thing about growing them from seed, you don't know what you're going to get. Hopefully I'm going to get some really nice ones that I can take some cuttings off. As you can see here, that would be perfect taking cuttings off. Look at the root formation there. So I'll probably bury that down to there and that'll root. That'll be great. Yeah, I'll use a liquid tomato feed from now on with these. I don't want loads of leaves, I want some flowers on them. See there? Yeah. I prefer not to mix any more composting because you want to try and encourage them to send out lovely side roots, shoots and roots. Last one. Like I said, look at the root system on them, massive. That's how well. But these should have been planted out about 4 weeks ago, but the weather just hasn't been well enough. I only feel safe now doing it. Once that's like so, what I'm going to do then is give them a real good soak. You really want to give them a really good wet through. So it saturates, it gets rid of any air pockets. But if you've got any questions about growing Penstemons, don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.